First, prepare the chocolate cream filling. To do this, mix sugar, cornstarch, and egg yolks in a bowl and whisk them together. Then gradually add warm milk while whisking continuously. Make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl. Next, place the mixture on gentle heat and continue whisking until it thickens. When it reaches the desired consistency, add milk chocolate and whisk until the chocolate melts. Remove from heat, add vanilla extract, and whisk again. Transfer the cream to another container, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it cool in the kitchen. Then refrigerate for 5 to 6 hours. For the croissant dough, first sift the flour and cocoa powder 3 times into a bowl. Add sugar and yeast, then mix well. Gradually add warm milk while mixing. You may need to adjust the amount of milk to achieve the right consistency. The dough should not be too loose or too firm. If you find the dough too loose, refrain from adding the excess 20 grams of milk. Add salt in the middle of mixing and continue mixing with a spatula. Gradually add a small amount of vegetable oil while working the dough with your hands. Then continue kneading the dough on the work surface for 20 to 25 minutes until it becomes smooth and uniform. Grease your hands slightly and take a portion of the dough, then stretch it open with your hands. If the dough stretches well without tearing, it means it has been kneaded enough. Place the dough in a greased container, cover it with plastic wrap and a towel, and let it rest in the kitchen for half an hour. After this time, place the dough on the work surface and knead it slightly. Divide the dough into 70-gram portions and cover each portion with greased plastic wrap to prevent drying. Shape the dough as follows: open each portion slightly on the work surface, then gather the edges to the center and roll it on the work surface until smooth. Cover it again with greased plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 minutes. After this time, open each dough piece on the work surface and stretch it with a rolling pin. Cut one side of the stretched dough as shown in the video, then add some chocolate cream filling at room temperature to the other side of the dough, close the edges, and roll it up. Place the prepared croissants on oiled parchment paper on a baking tray, cover them with plastic wrap and a cloth, and let them rest in the kitchen for 1 hour. Then place the tray in a preheated oven with a bowl of water inside and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Enjoy your meal.